Hey, Zade's gonna accept the challenge and go. One. Oh. Oh. And when you can't feel your feet anymore, come back in. Glad we got home, my goodness. Well, 6:30 in the morning. Gotta wake everybody up. Time to get up. There's that Zader. Eyes to rise and shine. Okay, let's go down and make some breakfast. Read scriptures and start the day. I actually woke up all by myself without the alarm today. Go figure. Now I'm going to be on this schedule. Well, let's get the pancakes started. Where's Paola? She gets herself up. Well, let's see what today brings. Davy and April come home today.
Big book.
Oh, that is a big book. That's Davy's, huh? I gave this to Davy when he was 8 years old. And Ambry's finally rised and shined. I'm gonna rise, but I ain't gonna shine. Daisy likes that. Where's Zade? Who's gonna start? You actually see some blue skies. Look how pretty that looks out there. I never see the sunrise. What are you doing? All your dollies, huh? Where are you gonna put them all?
In my bill.
Okay, Princess Belle. Got them all down here. Where'd you get that?
From this dollar store.
From the dollar store. And Ambry made this for me and Grandpa. I love you. Pretty cute. Oh, it's starting to snow a little bit. Wonder how much we'll get. Baby's coming from the warm Texas to cold Utah. Hey, you eating your pancakes? She got the yellow one. She wants to watch Sophia while she eats. The snow is sticking.
It's not spring.
It's not spring yet, but it will be next month. We are going to play a game, and one person will be blindfolded. And I'm going to hide some candy. How many candies? 3 or 2?
10.
I don't think this is how the game's played. There's 1 M&M's left. I think. Oh, it's open. She got one out. So you can't scream because your mouth is full of M&M's. Oh, there you go. Happy, happy. She filled her mouth quite a bit. Uh-oh, she's going in. Evie, I'm going to hide it and you got to find it. Okay? Daisy is supposed to bring her clothes in and she wants to do it blindfolded. Okay, here you go. Okay, go. Left, left, right,
Left.
left,
Left. Left.
right, right, right.
Left.
There, she's in. Okay, let it down. You did it. Hey, stop. Let it down. There you go.
I won't do it.
Yeah, okay, go get yours. Hey, Zade's gonna accept the challenge and
Are you the
go.
wrong voice?
Yes. Yay, you made it. Good job. And, oh, how'd she get the bird already? Daisy, come over to the fridge and I'm going to give you a cup and see if you can get you some water. Okay, there, put one there. Get on your mark, get set, go. You found one, Daisy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Found one too.
Oh, you found one too? Oh, she got another one.
There's one moment at the piano. One more. I got one.
Oh,
That's three. That's not candy.
You gotta look for it. Gotta blind your eyes. Oh, she found it. Okay, who found the most? Unblind yourself.
Whoa.
Count how many?
Four. I have one, two.
Oh, you got the most. You want 5 and you got 4.
Darn.
Good job. Okay, you guys hide. You two stay. You two stay. Here, you stay right there and do not let go till we say. Put down. Okay, go in Zaid's room, your room, the piano room, the living room, kitchen. Okay, go, and there's going to be some voices guiding you. Okay, she's getting around. There's one for Ambry. She found one. To your left, keep going, keep going, keep going. There you go, you found one. Okay, turn left. Left. Do you feel that big long chair by the computer? Now go down. Down. No, stand back up. Feel forward. Feel to your left. Your other left. Your other left. There you go. Keep going to the big long chair. Okay, now feel inside that big long chair. Get away from the little one. Keep feeling. Keep feeling. There, you got another one. Good job. Keep going. Now go in towards the piano room. No, the other left. There you go. Okay, go straight. Turn right. Go straight. Put your hands out so you can feel things. Constantly move your hands so you don't run into things.
Yeah, just go.
Who's going to direct him? You can't do that. Is that a real cactus?
No.
Oh, okay. Look in the cactus.
I can't.
I mean, feel in the cactus. Is it
No.
prickly? Well, she trusted that I was the right voice. See, I was telling her to fill the cactus and she said no, but it was right. Did you find them? There's still more. There's still more in here. There's 2 more in the piano room. Where's Ambry? Is there any more where she's at?
Well, she's...
Ambry, come towards the piano room. Come towards my voice. In Zade's? That's another one? Oh, really? Okay, go towards the window where the lamp is.
Yeah.
Without knocking the lamp over. Ambry, go towards the piano where the books are. Ambry. Oh, she got it. Oh, Ender, don't look. You can't cheat. Oh, she found it. Now, was there one more? One more in Zade's room. Ender? One more in Zade's room. Oh, we're lying.
We're not lying.
How many candies? 5, 6. I think you found them all. Because Ender has 3 and you have 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, did I do 10? Did I do 10 or 9?
You gave me 4 and her 5. So 9.
9. Okay, they found them all. Okay, take your blindfolds off. Okay, how many do you have? 6 and you have 3. Good job.
6.
So you were the liar?
I knew it.
She was lying. She was, well, Ambry, when I told you it was in the cactus, you didn't want to go there, did you? I wouldn't blame you either.
Did.
There you did. Okay. That was fun. Do you want to do one more? I got 3 candies left. Okay.
I found it.
Oh,
It was right there.
okay.
That's a hard bet.
There you go. Oh. Oh.
Wait, I gotta be a ladies. Yeah, we're ready.
I think that's kind of high. Okay. Okay, go.
Yellowstone.
Go. This is crazy. We might not be going home tonight. I don't know if Davy and April will make it. Their flight was delayed 2 or 3 hours. I think because of the snow. Texas is fine, but not here. We might be staying another night. That rhymes. We just watched Little Mermaid, and Ender wants to be a boy, and Abby wants to be a mergirl. Merman, okay, merman.
And
All right.
this is a
I'm gonna be a mermaid.
Oh, Evie's getting hers on. She's turning into a mermaid. Look at you.
Black Panther now?
Hey, Papa O's out cleaning off the car. Out braving the storm.
Okay, hi.
That's the...
Grandma,
I'll
this is Grandma's.
This is what I made.
You can either get hot buns out of the oven or you can
Yeah, see? That scrapes it off. Davy and April coming home late tonight, so... Is it snowing again? Oh, they should have the main roads cleared off. A couple of hour delay. I can see ya. He wants credit. See, that works. He didn't want to use it. He said, I'm not going to use that thing you made. And I said, it works really good, really well. He mocked me. And I said, that's all we got. Is it working good? Yeah. Okay, I'm going inside. Yeah. Okay, I'm going inside. Bye, love you.
As soon as I do it, I'm going to bring the car and drive.
All right. Ready to go to bed? Hang your phone up. Evie. What was that? What was that?
Come here.
You scared me. I don't know to put a nickel in her, but she will not go to bed. What about you? Oh, you getting your reading done? Okay.
Yeah, but I just need 3 more left from the eat.
Okay, you're doing good. You're going to be the winner. Okay, clean those up quick and shut the drawers and you're done. It's just 3 items.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't pull all those out. It'll tip over. Okay, hop into bed. See, look, your room's clean now. You don't have to clean it.
Thank you for cleaning it.
That's easy. You're welcome. Okay, you can stay up as long as you want, but you can't come out of your room.
Okay.
Just stay up all night and never sleep.
Don't
Ever, 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 ever sleep. Just stay awake forever. Stop, Grandma. Stop.
Don't forget to shut the door.
All right. Good night. Love you. Got to brush his teeth and then you can go to bed. They are back. We didn't think you'd make it. We thought if we have to, we will stay the night. There's Davy. He made it. We made it home.
And I was walking around reading scripture.
Now we will go home. Well, we made it home. It is 12 o'clock at night. I was thinking we should have just stayed over, but the roads looked fine. But we made it home. It's about a half-hour drive. The roads are just like this. We just drove 30 miles an hour the whole way. Took an hour to get home instead of 35 minutes. Phew, look at that. Glad we got home, my goodness. It had stopped snowing and then it started up again. Nice to be home. Oh, kitty. And I'll close with a quote from Mother Teresa. Sometimes it is harder for us to smile at those who love us, the immediate members of our family, than it is to smile at those who are not so close to us. Let us never forget, love begins at home. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing, and thank you. And remember to look for the rose through the snow, and good night, everybody.
Between us, I tried to hold on tight. Obstacles got in our way, and I guess I lost sight. I couldn't see the clearing, love stars fog my eyes. Ever since I met you, all I've seen is stormy skies. Headed for a crash landing. Mayday, help me, I'm falling. I tried to keep my head up, you just knocked me down. I'm falling to the cold, cold ground. You had me spinning round and round in circles every day. I'm off course and navigating down the wrong way. I'll never fall in love again, that's one thing that I know. Your cold eyes froze my aching heart. From here on out I'm so low. Headed for a crash landing. Mayday, help me, I'm falling. I tried to keep my head up, you just knocked me down. I'm falling to the cold, cold ground. Headed for a crash landing. Mayday, help me, I'm falling. I tried to keep my head up, you just knocked me down.